Hello there, welcome back to the Recipes with Ray YouTube channel. Today we're making a high protein taco dip. It's super easy, 3 ingredients. I'm using 4, but you know what? It's gonna be great. You don't have to use the 4th ingredient. Some people might not even like it. So to start, we're going to put in a bowl or a blender or a food processor, 24 ounces of cottage cheese. I'm using full fat. You can use low fat, fat-free. I don't know, do they sell fat-free? Might just be low fat. Either way. Next, we're gonna add 1 packet of taco seasoning. I have a homemade blend here. I will link the recipe to the homemade blend down below in the description because I'm sure most of you have all of the ingredients in your pantry. And then we're adding a 10-ounce can of Rotel tomatoes. I'm just using the original. You can use mild or hot, whatever you like. And I'm going to take my immersion blender because my food processor is too small and I don't have a blender. And we're gonna blend it smooth. Now, if you're making this for the first time, I would just go ahead and, you can have a chip. I'm gonna take my spoon. That's pretty yummy. But I am going to take a handful of cilantro. Is that technically 2 handfuls? Either way, I like cilantro and I'm going to blend it in. Now again, make this your own. If it's not spicy enough, if it doesn't have enough flavor for you, add in more spices. And I have a theory that this one might be something that tastes better after it sits for 30 minutes, an hour, overnight. Something that you could definitely do. Just stick it in the fridge, see how it tastes tomorrow. But let's give this a blend. Let us give this another sample. That freshness is delicious. And then if you have your cottage cheese container, keep it around. By the time you're done snacking on this, you might have diminished it enough that the leftovers will just fit back in your cottage cheese container. So you can eat this with pita chips, tortilla chips. I'm eating it with blue tortilla chips because I like the color contrast. I didn't want everything to be beige. That's a yummy little treat. Now, I'm not saying that this is any better than a 7-layer taco dip. That is still wonderfully delicious. But how easy was that? Again, I'm interested to see how this will taste tomorrow. I will not be finishing this tonight. I don't think you should ever feel guilty about eating food, but this is definitely guilt-free. High protein, super quick and simple to make, so an awesome snack. I did see one person eating this with pretzel crisps. And again, if you wanted to add some black olives on top or some fresh diced tomatoes or some shredded cheddar cheese on top of this and have like a dip bowl, go ahead, the world is your oyster. I will leave all the ingredients and the instructions down below in the show notes. I don't have a link to the original recipe because it was just a photo that I saw on Pinterest. And this is not going to be exactly like a 7-layer dip that you're used to seeing, but if you would like that recipe, go ahead, click right here on screen and I'll see you guys there.